So, welcome a day in the life with Alton. We're there in our Alan Bamboo. Public reporter, Tory, Rasta Tory, like our hairstyle, she are going in there now. So, I don't know, normal. So, ready?
Yeah, man, guess what? Public reporters in the building, and we have the beautiful
Tory.
And we're here to tell a story. You know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
I've just released my album, you know what I mean, My Reality. And at the end of the day, everybody has their own reality. You know what I mean? Yeah.
So it's your first album?
Yeah, my first official album, So, this is now the new direction to where I'm going.
So, tell the people on which platforms they can
all platforms, digitally, all platforms, you know what I mean? My Reality, you know what I mean? Facing my reality, facing things my eyes can see. Some may say they disagree. Some may say my eyes playing tricks on me. Woo, but guess what? I don't care what you've got to say. Survival is my new best friend. Yeah.
Whoa.
Not sure about future plans. Living it up where I stand. Hey. I don't know when Jah will take me home. Hey. So I'm living my best. Now, today I appreciate, cause I really don't know what's next.
Whoa.
I'm just facing my reality. Hey, facing things my eyes can see. Ooh, some may say they disagree. Some may say my mind's playing tricks on me. Hey, this is public report, this is.
But, Tory.
Yeah, man, we're here to tell a story. You know?
You hear them lyrics
Big,
there?
hey, big up
and
Jammiwood.
And melody there. But sorry, I don't know if you're talking about.
Yeah, man, you don't know the thing, go.
Oh, you go. Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Lyrical and melody is nice, man.
Paradise. You know?
Are you phone this?
Yeah,
Your
man.
bird?
Yeah. Without paradise, you think you're nice, you know what I mean? So, yeah, that's
Yeah.
So,
real life.
what we do today? Tell us about the whole movie experience of the tour, Because, another new movie, I tour on the day.
Yeah.
Meet. So,
Yeah, we're not giving away too much,
Yeah, we can't get them too much info.
But-
You know what I mean?
But the experience so far,
was marvelous, man.
Yeah,
Wonderful,
first-
super fragilistic,
Espialidocious.
espialidocious.
for real, man, it's
Yeah,
awesome.
man.
It's awesome because the first time I worked together, and it's like the acting, chemistry.
Yeah,
it's
it's good, it's good, it's good, natural, you know. Wife and my lover still here.
Of course, of course.
But
Big
guess what?
bird, man.
So this thing, it has opened my mind. It has opened my my whole scope and everything else. It's not because this is entertainment and I'm a part of entertainment. You know what I mean? Story.
Definitely.
You know what I mean? We always here to tell a story. So yeah. So here we're gonna do. We're gonna close the day, the evening, sun is setting. You know what I mean? And we want to do a nice little vibe and make it a little sense. Guess what? See without touring, we couldn't tell a story. So yeah.
right, that's one of my lights.
I like,
The light is right. You know what I mean?
Alright.
So-
Listen,
Yeah, man. So guess
without
what?
Tory,
Without
couldn't
tour, we
tell
couldn't tell a story. You know
But
what I mean?
storyteller, a public report.
You know what I mean?
Yeah,
Yeah.
man, telling his reality on all platforms.
Yeah. So go check it out.
Check it out, man.
Go get
Perform a
it.
song for the ladies, man. Give one of them big man, one of them
Alright.
berries or one of them.
Another original from mine. You know what I mean? Only your kiss from your lips can release that love that's hiding in my soul. my soul, yeah. Only a kiss from my lips can make the heart. You know what I mean? But guess what? I hate that. Wrap it up.
Wow.
Paradise Nation.
Out.
Hi guys, I'm Cher. Stop. Oh my god.
You're Cher
I'm
and-
kinda shy.
Alright, so what's the whole experience with the movie thing?
I experienced a lot.
You like it?
Yes, I love every bit of it. I'm enjoying it a lot.
So is this your first time acting?
I act every day at home.
No, so is this is your first time in front of the camera?
Yes, first time in front of the camera.
Right, so and you feel nice working with
I feel nice and confident.
working with Richard Brown Films, Jammiwood
Yes,
Entertainment.
Yes, everyone, you need to watch Richard Brown Films. I'm telling you, some nice movies coming out.
But
Subscribe.
then we see you in the new movie coming up, so
Yes, you will.
I'll see you.
Share, alright?
Yeah. Yeah, me go come to me. Oh, sorry man, sorry. Me never say Billy's Grassy Park, Main Street, Middle Quarter. Get the best rice and peas and chicken, pepper shrimps.
What's your name?
Billy's Grassy Park, Main Street, Middle Quarters. Best rice and peas and chicken. Peanuts.
Leg back one, right? Yeah, live and living, you know what I mean?
Man, they're hungry, you know.
Very.
Someone are rubbing belly.
Food. Oh, yeah. You see them move fast, man?
Yeah, more one of them that to me boss. Breast more on me boss.
Fish. Oh, fish.
Who want fish? Who want rice and fish?
Rice and peas and chicken. Oh, fish, you know what
Corner of 3,004.
Rice and
Water pound, fish 9.
So, we're there in St. Elizabeth. We're there in Middle Quarters right now, the shrimp country. But I'm not eating no shrimp today, I'm not really eating them shrimp. But I'll grab some food and now we're just shooting at Alton Bamboo. We are head back to Negril, so we are grab some food and now because of curfew and we're hungry. So, when we see what I want, just remember subscribe, like, share, comment. That's another pretty baby. Hi, mommy. Hi, mommy. So yeah, we're in Junction. Brother, just share next food because I don't want to rice it on for me. Fish more. Yeah man, so we are grab some food now.
Yeah, man.
grab some same.
Very now.
Nah man, Papa, where put me from my boss? Papa. Tell the people about your experience what happened. Which part?
We are St. Elizabeth. Middle quarter, yeah.
Shrimp country.
One more them. Yeah, where the shrimp and the we are going down with the barbie then they don't so.
Chicken.
No, I guess so.
They can tell you, you know.
No, they got that.
Deal with the fish for me, my boss.
You know
Deal with the fish for me, my boss.
Yeah.
Oh, turn up the fire night, make it fry up more. Turn the fire night.
Huh?
Chicken, yeah.
350.
Eat for them, man.
3 fish, then my other one first.
I remember saying that eat fish in the better, so make we eat fish in the God, I want to fall better. You want style was that thing in you. You're gonna eat your chicken if you eat your chicken, man. And your man say 3 fish there.
Alright. Yo, you want chicken food, my boss?
Yeah, man, fly, man.
I show them money in the dark.
Fly to them man, cause watch all time. But I will scare it to them.
Eh? Yeah man, he say eat it man. Was a hectic day, ain't Richie?
Long day.
Come on, just take it easy, man. Everybody have it.
I do want to finish the chef over there, take a 5.
It's still chicken tastes good?
No, not here. That one, catch up them boss.
Come on.
See how pepper you know.
Me them call it subscribe, man.
Catch up.
With an edge, man. More like two with an edge, man.
Mass Hector. We got there.
Yeah. Some lovely swims or scrimps.
Shrimps.
Shrimp. Yeah man, the best France ain't best.
Well hot.
Yeah man, well hot. I'm more pepper I put on it too. Yeah.
Just right.
Yeah, no man, they look like I did it a little while, but you know.
Oh, fish.
Oh, thank you. Get that to me, Zita.
Big top on the bigger.
Chicken now, my boss. Deal with chicken.
One more fish, are you alright?
One more.
Give me 4 more fish now, Joe.
I remember you fly away them.
Yeah, man, you fly away, then I
Yes,
put
it
them
is.
for outside.
Yeah, just deal with me, my boss. Cause Papa move like you want it before me, you know.
Me? Why before you? That shall happen. That shall happen. Tell him.
Shall happen.
No, you put pepper. Yeah?
Eating gizzard.
Yeah. You pinch it.
If Papa love him belly, if you ain't got it. You never see Papa in that show.
Papa have a eating gizzard, but you don't know. Yeah, man, say when it come to food, Papa in a laugh. Yo, when you run a bakery, you know, what if I cooking him, go out with that and I look up thinning pan them.
Yeah.
You know, ramp his steamy fish every night.
First bakery in there, does she eat more than so and do so. That one of them pastry.
What's the one fish restaurant?
This is food for health and strength, daily food. Praise and
Yo, one piece of
But
fish.
don't tell us of behind.
Look
I
around.
don't know.
One piece of fish.
Who is one next fish now? Who is one another fish now?
One more fish and then water. Yo, bring one chili base cup.
The chicken, my boss.
Yes.
Yeah, man. Chili
No man, he
over
can't go and eat and then he drink the soup.
No, man, it's a food that can have.
So bet somebody when we get food then
Crayfish soup.
Yo, no, that's what you have to tonight. I don't understand you. That's the one
There are cheers.
So that's a crayfish soup.
Jessica, come call it this.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Good.
Crayfish.
Yeah, man, and this I deal with the fat mama, you see me? Crayfish soup, deal with the fat mama, jackhammer, you see me?
Oh, all sizes.
All sizes. Me not fear you, all sizes, but yeah, I don't fear you. Crayfish soup, knock you down.
Knock it down. Cold.
Cold.
Nah, man.
You see me?
Yeah. Yeah, paper water.
Breast for me, my boss.
Don't know your way.
I'm not lasting because of the first. So I ask question and I learn.
Say Google, what's my location?
Oh, your location is in middle quarters and you shall use a map
Siri.
and tap options for
My
Google.
location, Siri.
Stop bothering me.
Oh yeah, that chicken breast.
Siri?
Me.
See me?
Siri?
Yo, put beside curb.
This is my location.
Hold on, there's two chicken that they have, my boss.
Yeah.
Alright, take that food and Papa.
That female.
Share, no, take that food and Papa. Share stew chicken for me instead.
You want the stew chicken?
Yeah.
No, me no want no breast, so give somebody his breast.
Where Bristol? Where Bristol?
See me? See me?
I'm right here. I'm right here.
Come on, man.
I'm tired of one, yeah?
I put like a breast and wing did already, you know, the leg and thigh, you know, soak it. The leg and thigh for that lady there, you know,
You a student.
What size is it on?
The stew now no pepper.
No, you add pepper, maybe not much.
Put the breast part in nothing in the boss. The breast part. Don't rub it curdle. Don't rub it curdle.
Yeah.
Move like
We glad. So my last time make it next food.
me no want a veg man.
Bless you. And don't give me the bread part guys.
Be careful. We're a long time here.
Okay. On the body part.
You have one fish, brother?
Yeah, man, one fish dinner left.
Alright, so give it to her.
Eh?
So one chicken for me, one.
What kind of soup that?
Peanut with no meat.
Can you one?
Yeah.
A small one.
And we are going 12 of the month, yeah.
You know, say more.
October next month. This is no, when?
And August.
Ready again.
We are going 12 of August.
No round a Everly dog, round me a going to go on normal, round the south, round a West End.
No call me dog though, but
Lion, if you say.
Lion,
True.
Lion.
yeah.
Lion,
Where we are go?
we are going to Everly, round the south.
What going on there?
A breakfast brunch party, man, where the girl then come out in their yellow and look nice and drink champagne.
Yo,
and
daddy,
and
right now, me tell you what I think. Me not have a lot of money, you know. 5 grand me have, that can work.
It can work and you can eat food with 1,000 and use 4,000 and 2 for your girl and 2 for your liquor.
That makes sense, man.
I don't know.
Yo, mo link papaya and candy. Where are we are go?
Alright, come on. Yo, why you do it 12?
August.
No go Everly breakfast and brunch.
How party there again?
West End on a... Oh, wait, never.
Tell him, none. Tell him, because you don't know.
No, brother, we
Tell him how we part now. No, man, you know.
Brother,
Tell him how we part. Tap nice, I can't remember now. We party we go.
round at the south, round at West End, brother. It's an all yellow party. Why you do your ear in a black?
Me have my yellow suit, don't worry about that.
A champagne and nice things, you know, so you have to come out with a girl. Just remember, you see she put on one nice little yellow dress pan her. And you and him a go. He can't go on there with no woman. But remember, you know, the 12 round at Everly breakfast party.
A woogie around there.
Yes.
All right.
Yo, we have a link candy. Where candy there?
We candy
Candy up
there.
the road.
Alright.
I just say bye for I get Everly party. But get that
Just
going
I get it in a yellow candy.
Yellow.
What make him love chat about yellow, so?
A yellow party. And you have this bluebird. Yellow.
Care back change.
Care back change.
Get in a yellow.
In a yellow.
Yeah.
All the phone to be
Call
yellow
the
too.
dealer.
Alright.
Everly party. Tell them say make a mistake.
Remember, you know, you're going to let down your ear. Nice. Put on a yellow dress. And we are going to drink champagne around there. Whole crew are going to go drink champagne. In the morning, drink some mimosa and eat good breakfast.
So if you don't want to see live and live in action, remember Everly party, 12 of August, you know what I mean? It's a brunch, breakfast party, I mean, no cook a yard man in there, you know what I mean?
Everly brunch party, me
Yeah.
half did it for me years. Make sure you say me soon, or big up on yourself.
You
Yeah.
can come in your car, me not know.
A lobster me want. Where you buy me?
Me just give 5 bills put in my car.
Me look like 5 bills girl. Remember say you have 5
Yes.
bills, why not? Don't play with me, move yourself from yourself. Everly party I do it. No. Hey boy, stop yogging up.
they're right up a Spur Tree Hill now. I do one piece of movie and then we're going back on the road again. So you see? Spur Tree. So we're there and we are going normal now there. Whole team out. So it's nothing normal. It's nothing normal. Whole team out. That stall number 5, Melrose is
Teresa.
with Teresa.
Alright, so mommy, tell what one. Which one with it?
Melrose Hill at Teresa shop number 5. Rosie Aki and saltfish cook sauce.
This is good. This is roast yam and ackee and saltfish. You want right us in our Manchester, you know?
Manchester, yeah.
Manchester. So now I got a town, you can stop yourself and get a roast yam and saltfish right there. Nice, very nice.
We do 1 for 1. 1 for 1, I think 1 for 1 will be a good movie. We are 1 by 1, but the idea comes to me, so why not do 1 for 1? 1 for 1 have a lot of meaning. You can say 1 for 1 in a one sense where a man take one of your girl, take back one of him. 1 for 1.
Oh, 1 for 1.
And then you have a next platform, a story part.
Don't take one of your girl, you take one of him. Because a problem.
It don't really matter. Whatever the case may be, And then 1 for 1 and now we can have a different story now. We part a man hurt one of your bridging there, but one of them.
Like an eye for an eye business.
You know what I mean? So you have two platform feed. The good and the bad and the ugly.
Like you just say plain out like with Alton just said.
What?
Eye for an eye.
Because they have that already.
You want moving here?
Yeah, Jamaica was moving in eye for an eye.
Eh?
Yeah, man.
Do you shut too?
Yo, where's something there with you? You're back here, so give me.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, that's why I mean I like black clothes. No, I did that to bed, brother.
If ever make you know it, make you
bed.
know.
No, black clothes tough, you know, but
tough,
I
man.
look at that, but.
It have one look where
Which I bed.
make you look sharp, you know.
I bed, girl sleeping. No, black clothes tough, man, but it just white for them, I can't take, brother. Bit like, for but you know what?
Yeah, Popeye. Grab a tool them out. Grab a tool them out of the bag.
I bet.
Look at some tool in the back seat. Pull the back, pull the door. Pull the door, pull the man, pull that up.
The lock.
Where key them? Press that key and pull it up.
In a chunk there, you're Popeye. No, you don't have your business in a chunk there.
Why? You put tool in the back?
There's chunk there.
No, it's down there.
It's down that seat.
The back seat.
Clean.
Yo, don't be that.
So we could under west now. Could under west with the brown girl. Right? And all the thing now I'm going to show is the fact how she reach up here. She pack up her things and go. Yeah. So the man could have put her in a room, rent a room, yeah. A few money here. That's the way there. Oh, but we need to do the bad man side and also the rest of people can get a roll.
That's what I'm ID, you know. I'm the print out again. I'm going to print it.
You want to make some ID, man?
Yeah.
Watch out. We have this.
Freakiness.
It's not freakiness, I tell people. We have this. What is that now? What's the hand?
What is that now? Clappers and toenail?
No, man. You're a cheer now.
Oh.
So when the show in there when you're on the man and put stuff in your waist.
Man, that's what I said about prison, maybe I'll it'll be good.